We've just got a second chance with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. If you think you've missed out, check this out. Okay, now actually come with me for a second. Come with me, because I'm going to show you this. This is Ireland, okay? Let me get my hand out of the video. Shut that bad boy. Alright, so Bitcoin and crypto, check it out. Lash and rain, carnage, okay? Lovely sunny day, it's grand. This is how Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, hold on, I get in there out of the wind. This is how Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are, okay? It's carnage, then it's grand. That's why it's important to have a thesis and understanding and build your own strategy so that you can safely, you just jump up there for 1 second. Now, so that you can safely navigate these markets, okay? I teach a live workshop on Zoom. It's on this Saturday. I only take 15 onto it. It's called Bitcoin Basics. And it teaches people everything, the basics of Bitcoin. So that if you can understand Bitcoin, you can understand the crypto markets at large. If you understand how it works and why it has value and where it's going next, it's really, really important stuff. If you are interested in my Bitcoin Basics workshop, you can grab a spot. It's €29. I look forward to meeting you this Saturday. You can go on www.cryptowithdini.com or grab your spot here right now. As I say, only 15, nice tight group. We do a Q&A at the end, so you can ask me any question about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies as well. I look forward to meeting you if that sounds good. Have an amazing day. It's going to lash rain. It's going to be a lovely sunny day. It's up, down, left, right. Welcome to crypto. Dinny out.